Hey everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com. Today we're making the easy version of the classic chicken Kiev. It's a chicken breast stuffed with a lemon, garlic, herb butter, so it's crisp on the outside and so juicy inside. Start by making the flavored butter. In a medium bowl, combine 6 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 1 minced garlic clove, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Use a fork to mash that together for a couple of minutes or just until the lemon juice is incorporated into the butter. You'll need 3 large chicken breasts. Cut each one in half lengthwise, keeping both halves equal in size and thickness. Now carefully cut a pocket into the side of each chicken breast as deep and wide as you can go without cutting through the chicken breast, about a 2-inch by 3-inch pocket. Stuff each half with about a tablespoon of Kiev butter, then close the pocket and push over the top of the chicken breast to disperse the butter. Pinch the openings to seal. Here's a great tip if you accidentally cut through the pocket. Cut a very thin slice of chicken breast meat right next to the hole and fold the meat over onto the hole. This will seal it and keep the butter from oozing out while it's sautéing. Once the chicken breasts are all stuffed and ready to go, season with salt and pepper. Carefully flip them over and season the second side. You'll need to prepare your breading stations. On the first large plate, you'll need half a cup of flour. In the second large bowl, add 2 large eggs and beat them together well with a fork. And in the third large plate, add 2 cups of Panko breadcrumbs. First, dredge each piece of chicken in the flour, dusting off the excess. Then dip into the eggs, making sure to get a good egg coating, and allow any excess egg to drip off before transferring it to the breadcrumb plate. Generously bread both sides of the stuffed chicken and transfer to a platter. Once all of the chicken is breaded, we're ready to cook it. Place a large, deep, heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat and add a 1/4 inch of oil. Once your oil is hot enough for frying, or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, add your breaded chicken in a single layer. Sauté 4 minutes per side or until golden brown, and if they're browning too quickly, reduce the heat. Transfer the chicken to a paper towel lined plate and repeat with cooking the second batch. I am excited. Time for the taste test. And a secret that I picked up on a long time ago, anytime you fry something, sprinkle a little bit of salt on it just as soon as it's done, and it makes the flavors just come alive. And then I love to garnish it with a little bit of fresh parsley. Gives it that fresh pop of color. Yum. All right, let's pick the big one. Ooh, that is a big one. Okay, here we go. Look at that. And that butter also makes the most amazing dipping sauce for this chicken, and it keeps the inside super moist and flavorful. Yum. Take a look inside. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's have a bite. Let's do this. A little bit of extra butter. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Oh, I forgot the lemon. So serve these with some fresh lemon wedges and just squeeze it over the top. Just that little bit of lemon juice makes these taste over the top amazing. Okay, of course we have to do another taste test. All right. That's more like it. This is perfect for just an easy weeknight meal or to serve at a party. This is delicious. You can really taste that pop of lemon flavor and that flavored butter inside. I am telling you, It's so good and memorable. Make this and you'll get recipe requests. If you enjoyed this video, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you later. This is so quick and easy. If you guys want more 30-minute meal ideas, check these out right over here and click below to subscribe. And when you do, click that little bell icon so you get notifications every time we post a recipe. Wait. See you later.